Bye.
Okay, Sarah, what's wrong with you now?
I feel really nauseous.
Wait, Sarah, what happened to you though today?
You guys are bitches. I know what the fuck is going on. You guys are both cunts.
Wait, but Sarah, was it your fault that it happened?
Oh, you're such a bitch.
But Sarah, like, I don't know what happened though.
You guys, I don't know what the fuck happened either, okay? Something happened. I think I'm on crack.
You're not on crack though. I just don't know what happened to you.
Wait, did it all start from the guy at the hookah who put crack in our hookah?
Yeah, he put it, and remember your eyes are weird?
Yes.
Didn't your eyes get red or something?
And then something bad happened and it never stopped happening.
So you're just gonna come to my house and sleep?
Yes.
For how long?
Can I sleep in your bed for 4 hours?
Yes.
Okay.
Why 4 hours?
You wake me up and I'll kill you.
I'll wake you up when we go to the cabin.
I have to go home first, Carol, and something bad will happen.
But Sarah, you're not going to the cabin
You
tonight.
can't go home, and you can't come
Did
to
you
the
ask
cabin.
your mom if you can go to the cabin?
I can't talk to my mom
Because you're drunk?
You guys are bitches.
How do you feel?
You guys, I never felt so fucked up in my life.
Well, Sarah.
Is this your life?
It's gonna be forever. No, I'm serious when I say that too. I feel like I'm set, like, on this lifestyle forever. I feel like I'm on alcoholic forever.
You feel like you're what?
An alcoholic?
God, you're such a bitch, Carol.
No, I don't understand what you're saying.
I know, I honestly
I just
can't
don't
hear you.
understand you.
Shut up, go to sleep. You guys, it's 2 o'clock in the morning. You guys are bitches.
Okay, wait, Sarah.
What?
Oh shit. Holy shit, Sarah, hold yourself.
Ow.
So you're not coming to the cabin?
I'm not going to any fucking...
You go, Sarah, grab your stuff. She's holding your food.
All she did was hold her boob.
I just need some more.
Eat some more salad. Bye, Sarah.
You guys are cunts.